Oh my god. But seriously, this is my first time. In today's video, we are going to repair stucco with Rapid Set Stucco Patch. Yes, Rapid Set does stucco too. And of course, with anything Rapid Set, it's going to be faster, it's going to be stronger, more durable, and you can get on to the next project quicker or the next job quicker. So let's do something cool. Well, I have to apologize right off the bat. This is my sad attempt at a cross-section of the exterior of a stucco house. And also my sad attempt to simulate some aging and cracking and some voids. But full disclosure, stucco is not my forte. And apparently neither is French. And even though this is a sponsored video by Rapid Set, this is still gonna get the job done and we are still gonna learn something together. But here's what we got going on so far. Now, what I've learned about a typical stucco job is that it usually starts off with a tar paper or some sort of moisture barrier, followed by some metal lath or chicken wire that is either stapled or nailed down. Then all the borders are trimmed out with some sort of C-channel for expansion and contraction. Then after that, the stucco process begins. And they start off with the first layer that is called a scratch coat. They put up a thin layer, they put some scratches in it for some texture for the following layers to bite onto. Then it's followed by a brown coat to dress it up, then the finish coat or the final coat or the color coat to add your final texture and final color. So with all that being said, after your initial prep work is done, when you use a Rapid Set Stucco Mix or the Stucco Patch, they take that 3-step process and turn it into one. You can just do it all in one shot. There's no need for a scratch coat. There's no need for a brown coat. You can either color the mix or you can paint it. And what's nice about this stuff is you can actually paint it 2 hours later. Again, enabling you to get onto the next project quicker or get onto the next job quicker. Of course, let's not forget about our prep. Just like with anything else, you want to make sure it's clean, free of loose debris, free from oils and greases, anything that can prohibit the bond to the existing stucco. As far as cracks are concerned, you want to make sure that you chisel these out to at least 1/4 of an inch wide to get the product in there real good. And another great feature about this product is that it does not require a bonding primer to bond to existing stucco. But you do want to make sure that you wet it down to not only give the stucco patch moisture, but so that way it will bond much better to the existing substrate. Not only so that it will bond better to the existing substrate, but that way it won't suck the moisture out of the stucco patch. Now we can just simply get on with mixing. And another great thing about this stuff is that if you are already familiar with Rapid Set's mortar mix, this is a lot like their mortar mix, both in texture and consistency. And this is also mixed at a ratio of 4 parts product to 1 part water. But what you're looking for is like a wet cookie batter consistency. I'll start off with 1 quart of water and mix a little less than half of that. Oh. Make sure to wear a mask, but I need to talk to you, so some tools that are going to be handy to have on hand. By the way, make sure that your tools are already ready to go and your work area is prepped already. But you'll want to have either a steel trowel on hand, or a lot of people do stucco with a rubber float. This is completely optional, but for these kind of projects, I love to have a hawk. Makes it a lot easier for me to place my product when especially when you're doing spot work or repair work. Now, since this stuff can go from 1/8 of an inch all the way to 1 inch thick, you can fill in some pretty large voids and fill in some pretty small cracks. Since this is polymer modified and has way more glues in it, it tends to be a lot stickier than, say, mortar mix, but also it sticks and hangs very well without sagging. And you always want to go from the bottom up instead of down, because then you tend to pull material out of your void. I've never used a float to do this, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see where a float can be way better. That actually, no, that works really well. Go ahead and fill this void in. And again, I'm doing this all in one shot. I don't have to do a thin layer, scratch coat, brown coat, then finish coat. I can just do it all in one shot and be done with it. Now, if you're as inexperienced as me, you might want to utilize a damp sponge to blend things in and to get the texture you're looking for. But another nice thing about the stucco mix is that even with the steel trowel, it will give you that stucco texture that you're looking for already. Now the cracks, it will fill in some pretty thin cracks, but when you get to under 1/4 of an inch width, it gets a little tougher. I should have taped off the areas that I didn't want to get stucco on. Alright, and again, since I'm a little bit more inexperienced, I'm gonna use my sponge to blend things in, make it look a little better. While I'm doing that, I just wanted to take a minute to thank my awesome patrons for their continued support. Blend in these really small cracks. That's looking pretty good. Alright, I didn't plan on it, but since I mixed up way more stucco than I meant to, we're gonna fill in this very large void. Just for funsies. What I'm doing right now, you can see how I'm pulling it into the edge. That's called keying it in. Now that I got all this product on here, I think in large void situations like this, take some sort of screed and screed it nice and level. Now I think a professional, I believe, would be able to just leave it like this because they would have probably already gotten the texture that they're looking for anyway. But again, I'm gonna use the help of my little sponge friend here. Oh my god. Like, seriously? This is my first time. Well, I mean, technically it's my second time because my first time was building this display. But honestly, this is my second time working with the Rapid Set Stucco mix. But this is my first time doing a finished surface with a very large void like this. Stucco is just not a big thing here in Michigan. So we don't have a lot of products available for even doing a stucco job, let alone patchwork. So that's why I'm very inexperienced at it, but this has been really fun to play with. Now, if I can get this good of a finish after only using this twice, you can too. Any novice could use this and get some really great results. Alright, now all I gotta do is wait 2 hours and I can paint this guy. While you watch me paint the stucco and literally wait for paint to dry, I wanted to tell you about this awesome event that I've been invited to called the Deco Crete Expo. And it's actually located in Canton, Ohio, right next door to the Football Hall of Fame, so you can check that out while you're there. The Deco Crete Expo is everything decorative concrete all in one space. There's going to be all sorts of concrete vendors there. There's going to be concrete experts there, decorative concrete artists, and they're going to all be strutting their stuff. It's going to be a fantastic time, and it's going to be this February 27th and 28th. And not only are you going to see some great decorative concrete, there will also be a panel of your favorite YouTubers, including me. You can ask us any questions you like, or just simply stop by to shake our hands and say hi. But don't just come there to see me. Go there to take in the energy, learn some new techniques, and make some great connections, and talk with some of your favorite YouTubers. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can get more details on the event, and there are different tiers for different tickets for different experiences. And now, you don't have to do this, But if you use promo code BUILDS25, it's actually an affiliate link that'll help the channel out if you like. And hopefully I'll see you there. Again, February 27th and 28th. Hopefully I'll see you there. Well, it may not be perfect, but for my first stucco project and first stucco repair, not bad. I mean, it's practically seamless, and if I can do it, you can do it. So, Rapid Set Stucco Repair, you should be able to find it on any shelf in any Home Depot. If you have any other questions, feel free to hit Rapid Set up on their website, or go to your pro desk at your local Home Depot and they can put you in contact with your local Rapid Set rep. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.